Well, if you've been watching this knucklehead this long, you've made it. Congratulations!
Hi, I'm Skinny Kenny.
I'm Musclehead Kev, and we're the Klar brothers. We're here for your health.
That's right, baby. Normally we're in the kitchen cooking up a storm.
But today we're going to tell you a little bit about the program that we use to help ourselves and lots of other people.
That's right. We've had some questions come through our YouTube DMs and our Instagram and our...
Slide into your DM.
That's right. My crack social media team has been fielding questions. So we thought it would be better for us to put up a short video that walks you through the process. And then if you have more questions, feel free to contact us.
That's right. We will give you a link in the comments about filling out a health assessment, that kind of thing, and we can get back with you and answer any questions you might have. First off, we got to tell people congratulations.
Right,
congratulations just for doing it, right? That's a big first step, recognizing what you want and how to get there. So you've done that much, so big thumbs up. That's what we usually tell them, right? Big thumbs up? Big thumbs up. So I want to make sure that you know that the diet industry has been feeding us stuff all along the way to help us, or to make us be on this roller coaster of losing weight, gaining it back, losing weight, gaining it back. But here's the secret. We're here to stop the cycle, break free of that roller coaster moves, and do this for a lifetime, right, bro?
Yeah, trust me. We know what it feels like to feel always tired, fatigued, you're just not feeling your best.
Or just a little chubby.
Just a little fluffy, we like to say, right? Yeah, and we found a super simple program. I lost 35 pounds in 4 months.
I lost 30.
He lost 30 in 8 weeks. I mean, it doesn't take a long time. But the key is, you gotta make a lifestyle change. And so that's what we're here to help you do. Trust me, we've both been on the brink of giving up. But we're here to tell you, coach you through it.
That's right. And if you need help, we'll even hold your hand. We'll call you every day. We'll hold you accountable.
Kev will take his shirt off for you.
We all know the doctors say it takes 6 small meals a day to keep your blood sugar stable and to get into a nice perpetual state of fat burn.
But what they don't tell you is the monster meal prep, the grocery lists, the cost and time that takes for you to get those 6 small meals together.
That's right. So we're going to show you how you can keep it super simple. You start off with the basics and you build on that.
6 meals a day, right? But we've already done the heavy lifting for you. These are small, nutrient-dense, what we call fuelings, each of them 100 calories that you're gonna take and you're gonna eat 5 times a day.
And then I heard that all they have to do after that is do a simple, what we call lean and green.
Right, yeah, and that's so simple,
even a dude can make it. And if he can do it, you can do it. Come on.
Trust me, anybody can do it.
So, we're here to help you with healthy habits. That's what you're gonna learn. No more temporary fixes. And guess what? In just a few short days, you'll start feeling the change of your energy and you'll just feel better. Less inflammation and all that stuff that you were feeling before, it'll all start to go away. You will be surprised.
And it's a transformation that's gonna stick. Now, we know you're wondering about the price because these days everybody's
worried about it. Inflation, inflation, inflation. It's Bidenomics.
Trust me, if you're keeping track of your grocery store costs or the costs that you're spending for food during the day, we know it's expensive. So this is super economical. In fact, we think you can do this for less than $15 a day, plus that one lean and green you're gonna make for yourself.
Yep, and the lean and green isn't gonna cost much either because it's super basic and super straightforward. You're gonna be able to focus on that one meal and then we'll expand upon that as you get closer to your healthy weight.
That's it. You get a full month of healthy meals, a free health coach, that's us, a community of like-minded people that you can share your successes with and your disappointments and help you keep on track, and free shipping. Free shipping. Who doesn't like free stuff? We always like to give a few nice things, right?
Yeah, you contact us, we will hook you up. Hey, congratulations. If you listen to us knuckleheads this long, we know you're this close, right? Well, what we hear constantly from our clients is, I wished I had started sooner. Well, guess what? We can't go back in time, but we can start today and help you get to where you need to go.
Here's your next step. You're gonna type in the link that's up there and you're gonna fill out a short health assessment. It's gonna help give us a sense of where your health is at and what you want to achieve. And we're gonna build a custom plan just for you.
So, what he said, what are you waiting for? Stop putting your health on the back burner. Give yourself a little bit of oomph to get started.
Right. Your health deserves to be front and center. With that,
Klar Brothers Bistro, here for your health.